Hi everyone, my name is Saeed from Hot Plate. Today I passed by butcher shop and I bought fillet eye steak and I decided to make Michelin quality steak. To be able to make restaurant quality steak, you need to have this precision cooker. I am going to use this cooker for 2 hours for my steak in 130 degrees Celsius, and that's how I get perfect medium rare. Let's start. I start to put the steak in vacuum bag. I add the steak spice, some onion, lemon. Finally, I add 15 milligrams of oil. Make sure to seal it tight. Now we add all the spice, mix it very well. So the flavor of the spice will be all over the steak. I am using food saver to get all the air out of the bag. As you can see, by removing all the air, we lock all the flavor in. It had been few hours. Let's see what it looks like inside. It doesn't look like much now. Watch what we do with it. Now we are going to cut to see what looks inside. Very tender, very tasty, as what you see is very juicy. This is how you get restaurant quality meat that is very tender and very yummy, and I am sure you will love it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy of it. I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.